Well, all right, all right, all right. I think I'm going to start saying that in every video opening. I love that saying. It's one of my, I think it's one of the best sayings in a movie ever. Matthew McConaughey, Dazed and Confused. All right, so let's talk about what's going on because I say all right a lot anyway. So let's just maybe rip that and use that. What is going on in crypto? The latest crypto news that you need to know right now. We've got crypto up 2.4%, better than the alternative. Remember what I've been saying in videos here, guys, that we're going to be here for a while. This consolidation game up 2%, tomorrow down 1.8, whatever it may be. Yesterday we were down about 2%. It just is what it is, right? So I'm keeping an eye on quite a bit of things for you, respective of the overall market. But you can see not a lot moving here. Solana's up 6%. Toncoin is the shining star right now, up 17, 18%, 31% on the 7-day. They are absolutely on fire. And meme coins are waking up a little bit. Even if you don't care about meme coins, like investing in them, keep an eye on them and look at this category on CoinMarketCap because it gives you insight into retail investment capital across the globe. We have a new dynamic now where retail money, and I'm talking about small investors, but aggregate added up, millions and millions and millions of investors globally. They don't buy assets like Ethereum or Dogecoin. I'm sorry, not Dogecoin, Bitcoin, things like that. They buy Dogecoin, they buy Shiba Inu, they buy Pepe, they buy WIF, things of that nature. So keep an eye on this category. It kind of gives you some insight. But you can see WIF's up 10%. Everything else is up just a little bit. Book of Meme up 8, but Doge and SHIB up 2%. So kind of one thing I wanted to show you about was right here in the green, the ongoing business week. This is the one we're in now. Went a lot less eventful than the previous one. Yes, this has been a very uneventful week in crypto. And we saw Bitcoin dump to a 2-month low of 56,000. Did you buy some at that point? I did. Okay. I am absolutely buying the dip on Bitcoin, doing some here and there. So just FYI on that. Oh, hey, by the way, this video is sponsored by a really great project called Mazu Finance. Links in the description below to this page. When you get there, if you want to get whitelisted to get involved with the project, you click in the upper right hand corner and you can get whitelisted. But here's what it really is: they are part of the SUI DeFi ecosystem, and it's a way for you to get involved in that ecosystem. They've got a 4% tax on the in and out, but 2% goes to the Mazu treasury, while the remaining 2% is burned. So they have a deflationary mechanism built in from day one to reduce the overall supply of the token, thus thus helping the price go up as it will move forward. You will potentially get exposure to airdrops in the SUI ecosystem like Navi and Volo, and they have a buyback and burn mechanism as well. So I want you to check them out. Quite a bit here. So that, again, I've already mentioned this, a deflationary nature. They have a let me show you this. They have a Mazu DAO. Okay, so you can get involved in that. So again, some cool stuff here. I want you to check it out. Links in the description below. Give Mazu a look. As always, thanks for sponsoring the video, Mazu. I appreciate it. Okay, so like I said, right now, this is kind of where we're going to be here, guys. And some other things I want to show you. We are seeing Bitcoin mining difficulty sees largest plunge since December of 2022. Okay, there you go. It's interesting, and this is another thing I wanted to show you. Bitcoin hits new milestone, processes 1 billion transactions. Bitcoin is helping pave the way for bringing millions of new investors in. We're seeing it, traditional finance getting involved in Bitcoin, and then ultimately they will their move into crypto will be even more. That's going to open up the doors to a lot of new investors. We know all these things, but I'm just kind of reminding you of that. Okay, that's at play. We have the ETFs. There's rumor and speculation now that the Ethereum ETFs would be approved sometime in September, October. Again, we'll see that. The current landscape with the SEC, very, very murky. We all know this. I've talked about this. I did a video on this yesterday. So we'll kind of have to see how that plays out. I expect more of the same here, guys, in the crypto market as we continue to roll on today and in tomorrow. Just kind of this give and give back as far as percentage up, percentage down. Not a lot going on. That's what we are going to see here in the short term. Okay. If you're interested, links in the description below to Margex. Check it out. Great platform. You can do leverage. You can do long, shorts over there. But they have this thing called copy trading, and this is actually inside my account. Once you're in, you can copy proven traders on autopilot in one click. They got a guy over here, Leader, who trades in Bitcoin, up 1,242% ROE. Yep. All you got to do is hit follow, say, oh, I'm going to put up this much money, 500, 1,000, whatever you want, and then hit the button, and the system does it all for you, and you sit back and collect the profits. Okay. So, again, proven track record. You can see that he's got quite a bit in traders equity as well as strategy equity. So, 463,000. So that's one that I really do. And this is one thing I'm doing in the short term as well, just to kind of have something to do as we are navigating these crazy, crazy, boring waters, if I must say so. We're going to be here for a while, guys, in the overall crypto market. I'll see you. Bye.